Okay, here we go. Oh, I see a Haines City sign. Maybe they consider this Haines City. Hi. Thank you. Okay, well, we are going to be sitting in the bar. This is where we went the other day also.
Is it your guys' first time on a Miller Cell House?
No, we've been here before.
Hope you guys
Thank
enjoy.
you. Hey, we got a nice booth. Thank you. Okay. So here is the menu. We have the playoff picks, field cold trio, mozzarella sticks, frying burger, buffalo chicken, tailgater, hot honey barbecue buzz. There is a lunch break special, soup and salad trio, Dad's homemade meatloaf, English pub fish and chips, classic cheeseburger, I think that's what I'm going to get, brunch burger, Patty House.
I'll be right with you guys.
Okay, and here are the zingers. You can get them either chicken wings or boneless. This is what we're going to also get. Appetizers. Here's the soup and salad. Beverages. Cobb salad. Chicken, seafood, and more. Ooh, cilantro lime chicken. Baby back ribs. I think that's what Glen's going to get. I think. Sweets. Big red. Okay. You can do add-ons. Shareables, which is fries and onion rings. The add-ons is a house salad, Caesar salad, fries, 12 fried shrimp, cocktail sauce, and mozzarella sticks. Okay, let's order. So I got the margarita special in Glen. Got the Yingling flight. He's trying to cut carbs. Okay, so this is our second time here. And if you sign up to their rewards program, you get free zingers. So that's what we're doing for our appetizers. It's equivalent to $14.49, and they do have 2 sauces that you can choose from. So we tried, the last time we were here, we got the garlic parmesan, and Glen got like a mild hot sauce. So they'll be coming out soon. Our zingers have arrived. This is our appetizer that we're getting because we signed up for free rewards. And usually this would be $14.49, but we are getting it free because we did sign up. My favorite is the garlic parmesan, and Glen got the hot sauce. So dig in. Here we go. Okay, our lunch has arrived. Glen got the baby back ribs with broccoli, and I got the burger, the size. Everything looks really good. He surprised me. I thought he was going to get the meatloaf. So, okay, London, I'm good. So I got another drink. This is the Cheetos strawberry lemonade, and it is so pretty on the top. There's a lime in the strawberry. Cheers, salute. We are sitting in the bar area, furthest from the front door, and that also is called the Fort. And they do have all the windows open up, so in the warmer weather, you'll be able to feel the nice breeze come through. When we do walk out, I will film the other bar and the seating area. So right now, we are leaving, but this was called the porch. All the doors do open. Oh, we came at a good time. There's a line now. And this is the other bar area. This is really nice. And then the whole dining room. Okay. Sorry. Okay. It's beautiful out. It's probably about 80. And this is right off of 27. And you can see that the traffic is kind of slowing down.